Hello friends, this is Sid. How are you? Today, the topic of this video is very interesting because we are going to discuss on the ways of selling the people. This is a very hot topic these days. Salespeople, lot of people across the globe, they want to know what are various ways of selling the people. In this video, we will be discussing 5 major ways of selling your product or your service to the customer. Number 1, in person meetings. So far, in person meetings is the best way to close the deal because you're sitting in front of your prospect. The prospect is sharing the problems he's facing. On the other side, you are discussing the solutions to those problems. And when you are able to map the problems to the solutions you are offering, you have a deal. Am I correct? Because people buy solutions to the problems they are facing. They will not buy just because you are a very good salesperson and they will buy something from you. No. They will only buy the solutions of the problems they are facing. Number 2, telephone sales, phone sales. People picking up the phone, dialing the number. Number 3, emails. This is the traditional way of reaching out to the people. Lot of companies are sending emails to lot of buyers, to lot of prospects. In fact, the individuals also send emails to the buyers. Number 4, text messages. Yes, salespeople, they use text messages to maybe fix a meeting, maybe a promotional message, or whatever their intent is. They use text messages. Number 5, which is used a lot these days, which is social media. Companies, individuals, they're using Facebook, LinkedIn, then Twitter, Instagram to reach out to masses. Today, in this video, we will discuss the benefits of telephone sales, because so far telephone sales is the best way to reach out directly to the buyer, or if not the buyer, then the influencer, right? Okay, so I know what you're thinking. We do marketing as well. I know that marketing is senior to sales, right? Using marketing, your message can reach out to communities, to masses, right? While we are speaking here, your message, your marketing message can reach out to lot of people, right? Depending upon the marketing budget, you can choose who all are the prospects to whom you want your message to reach out to. Yes, but if you want to speak directly with the decision maker or the influencer, what you will do? You will not use marketing. You will pick up the phone and make that dial, because if you make, let's say, 100 dials in a day, and on average, depending upon the region, the geography, the country, you would be able to have conversations with approximately 5 people, and you can take that discussion ahead, right? So let me speak about the benefits of telephone sales. Number 1, you can sell appointments for the account executives, for the sales managers to go to that prospect and close the deal. Remember, we spoke on the in-person meetings, which has the best conversion. So you are fixing an in-person meeting with your account executive or the sales manager so that he can close the deal. Number 2, the buyer, he already knows what we are going to discuss about. What is this meeting all about? Because you spoke with the prospect over the phone, discussed about what his problems are in a brief way and what solutions you are providing on the other side. So you are now bridging the prospect and the salesperson from your company, or if it is you. Yeah. So the buyer knows what would happen in this meeting. So the buyer will come up with the problems, the salesperson will go with the solution, and you know what will happen then. Number 3, it is the fastest way of communication. Yes. Number 4, you can create opportunities for upsell, for cross sell. You can take inbound calls. You can also make outbound calls to your prospects. Number 5 or 6, okay. These days, people, they will not give you the time for an in-person meeting because of novel coronavirus. So people are more than happy to talk with the salespeople over the phone or over Zoom call, Skype call. We use a lot of platforms these days, and they are okay if they are sold over the phone. Prospects are okay with this. Okay, the last benefit is you are saving time of your prospect and also your time, because you are taking this call while sitting at home or maybe in office if you are going to office, and the prospect is also not going anywhere. He's just picking up the phone and having all the conversations. So you are saving that time so that you can call some other person, you can meet some other person virtually and close the deal. Make yourself some money, some bucks, some revenue for your company, or if it is your own company, then making revenue for your own company, right? So there are lot of benefits of doing the phone sales. If you are watching my video on my YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, because I will be speaking about a lot of ways of increasing money in your bank. I think that is the basic motive of us working. If we want to bring some change in the world, that is something that we all are looking at. Then if you are watching this video on my Instagram channel, do follow me for the regular updates like this. So I am looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.